Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ruling out the obvious hardware causes. Check any physical mute switches, headphone jack seating, and inline volume controls so you don't chase software fixes unnecessarily. Next, open your system sound settings and pick the correct output device. Make sure it isn't muted and that app volumes are up in the volume mixer. Once done, open Device Manager, look under Sound, Video, and Game Controllers, and confirm the device is present and enabled so software can control it. Now you move into software fixes. Update the audio driver from Device Manager or the vendor website, or roll back if the issue began after an update. Driver mismatch often causes unexpected mute. Disable audio enhancements because they can mute or distort output. Make your device both default and default communications so apps route correctly. Finally, open services. MSC and ensure Windows audio and related vendor services are running and set to automatic. If they're stopped, start them and test immediately. Finish by isolating hardware. Boot a live USB or test a USB headset to see if sound works outside your OS. This tells you whether internal hardware is muted. If software, uninstall the audio driver fully, reboot, and install the correct driver cleanly, or use System Restore to roll back recent changes. Make sure BIOS/UEFI hasn't disabled onboard audio. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, try a full power cycle and reinstall with peripherals unplugged. That often clears stuck hardware states.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.